How to send PDF to email from laptop. First, open Google Chrome or any web browser you normally use. This will take you to a search engine. From there, search for your email provider. In my case, I use Gmail, so I'll search for Gmail and click on it. If you're already logged in, you'll be taken straight to your Gmail inbox. From here, you can create a new email. Depending on the email provider you use, the layout may look slightly different, but you're looking for the Compose button. Go ahead and click on it. A new message window will appear. Enter the recipient's email address in the To field. Next, add a subject. I'll name it PDF file. Then write your message. For example, "Hi there, here is the PDF file." Now let's attach the PDF. Look for the paperclip, attach files icon and click on it. This will open the File Explorer on your computer. Locate the PDF file you want to send. It can be anywhere on your device. Mine is in the Downloads folder. Select the PDF file and click Open. The file will begin uploading, and once it's fully uploaded, click Send. Your email will be sent successfully, and you can confirm this by checking the Sent folder. The recipient will receive the email and be able to open the PDF without any issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.